Welcome to another video. We have a Harvard University entrance examination question. We have 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 32x. S is equal to what? Okay, to answer this question, we will be using the famous Lambert W function, also known as the product log. If we have x times e raised to the power of x, if we apply Lambert W to this expression, this is going to give us x. Okay, so we'll be using this function in answering this question. To answer this question, we are going to make the left-hand side to contain the constant, while the right-hand side will contain the variable. To do that, we are going to divide both sides of the equation by 2 raised to the power of x times 32. Here we have 1 over 32 is equal to, and here we have x divided by 2 raised to the power of x. I'm going to write this as 32 raised to the power of minus 1 is equal to, in the denominator we have 2 raised to the power of x, which is 1 divided by 2 raised to the power of x. And this can be expressed as 2 raised to the power of minus x. Okay, so we will have x times 2 raised to the power of minus x. Okay, remember our goal is to make the left hand side and the right hand side to be in the format in the parentheses so that we can apply the Lambert W function. Okay, now with respect to 2 raised to the power of minus x, let us consider this rule. If we have e raised to the power of the natural log of x, this is equal to x. Okay, now let us rewrite 2 raised to the power of x using this rule. E raised to the power of the natural log of 2 raised to the power of minus x, and this is equal to 2 raised to the power of minus x. So we will represent 2 raised to the power of minus x with this. Okay, so here we have 32 raised to the power of minus 1 is equal to x times e raised to the power of the natural log of 2 raised to the power of minus x. So we will have 32 raised to the power of minus 1 is equal to x times e. This power of minus s will come to the back. Okay, so we will have minus x times the natural log of 2. If we have natural log of b raised to the power of x, this can be expressed as s times the natural log of b. It is this rule that we applied here that gave us this. All right, here we have x, and here in the exponent we have minus s times the natural log of 2. The only thing missing here in the base is minus the natural log of 2. So we are going to introduce minus the natural log of 2 here. And to do so, we are going to multiply both sides of the equation by minus natural log of 2. Now let's tidy up the left hand side a little bit. This minus will have to come to the back. So we have minus 32 raised to the power of minus 1 times the natural log of 2. And this is equal to minus x times the natural log of 2 times e raised to the power of minus x times the natural log of 2. Okay, now you will notice that what we have here, minus s times natural log of 2, is the same thing with what we have in the exponent. So we can now apply the Lambert W to both sides of the equation. According to the Lambert W, the whole of this expression on the right hand side is just equal to minus s times the natural log of 2. So the equation will become the Lambert W of minus 32 raised to the power of minus 1 times the natural log of 2 is equal to minus x times the natural log of 2. Okay, we will also make the left hand side to be in the format specified by the Lambert W function. So here we have the Lambert W of, we are going to manipulate what we have in the parentheses so that it will be in the form specified by the Lambert W. This minus 32 raised to the power of minus 1, I can write it as minus 1 times 32 raised to the power of minus 1 times the natural log of 2. And this is equal to minus x times the natural log of 2. So we will have the Lambert W of, we have minus 1 here, times, I'm going to write this 32 raised to the power of minus 1 as 2 raised to the power of minus 5. 2 raised to the power of minus 5 will give us this, times the natural log of 2. And this is equal to minus x times the natural log of 2. I am going to replace 2 raised to the power of minus 5 with 2 raised to the power of 3 times 2 raised to the power of minus 8, because this is going to give us 2 raised to the power of minus 5. All right, so we will have the number W of, here we have 2 raised to the power of 3. 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us 8, and 8 times minus 1 will give us minus 8. So we have minus 8 times 2 raised to the power of minus 8 times the natural log of 2. And this is equal to minus x times the natural log of 2. Now let's consider this rule. If we have x times log b, this is the same thing as log b raised to the power of x. We are going to apply this rule here. What is going to happen is that we are going to take this minus 8 to become an exponent of the natural log of 2. Okay, so we will have number W of 2 raised to the power of minus 8 times the natural log of 2 raised to the power of minus 8. And this is equal to minus x times the natural log of 2. So we will have the number W of, here I'm going to swap the position of these two numbers. So we will have the natural log of 2 raised to the power of minus 8 times 2 raised to the power of minus 8. And this is equal to minus x times the natural log of 2. So we will have the number W of ln2 raised to the power of minus 8 times, we are going to write 2 raised to the power of minus 8 as e raised to the power of the natural log of 2 raised to the power of minus 8. Again, e and natural log will cancel out. We'll be left with 2 raised to the power of minus 8, which is the same thing as this. So we will have the number W of, here, this power of minus 8 will come to the back, and also here, this power of minus 8 will come to the back. You will notice that what we have here in the base is exactly what we have in the exponent. If we apply the number W, it means that the whole of this expression on the left hand side is just equal to minus 8 times the natural log of 2. Okay, so we will now have minus 8 times the natural log of 2 is equal to minus x times the natural log of 2. All right, now let us get rid of this negative by multiplying both sides of the equation by minus 1. To find the value of x, let's divide both sides by the natural log of 2. Natural log of 2 will cancel out with natural log of 2, and natural log of 2 will cancel with natural log of 2. We have that x is equal to 8. Thank you once again for watching this video. If you find this video helpful and informative, please subscribe to my channel, and do remember to like, comment, and share. All the best.